Welcome to New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. I'm your host, Sue Pets, and I created New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast to share how you can transform your business from challenge to triumph. Yeah, my journey from zero sales to consistent daily revenue, and now without me being involved into my business, taught me that success is a decision. And now I empower entrepreneurs like you to break through barriers and build thriving businesses. Yeah, I have yeah, three steps wherever you want. You can join. For example, first one is Rapid Revenue Blueprint. It is a fast track for monetizing your digital products, combining AI and spiritual insights for quick and effective results. And I also give ready-made digital products if you don't want to create your own. When I got started, I was being told that you can see real money only after 3 years. I didn't like that. That's why this is the Rapid Revenue Blueprint where you can see money coming within 90 days. Then Passive Empire, where at some stage people want to minimize their time commitment into business and they want the money to be coming passively and automate your business, delegate your daily task, and just see with your minimum involvement how you can have consistent flow of income with ease. Lastly, infinite prosperity. Unlike all other businesses, here we are teaching you can achieve success in each and every area of your life. You can have success in all positive areas of your life, blending strategic action with spiritual growth. So, my system of leveraging ready made digital products and AI custom GPTs is designed for immediate impact. Follow my clear step by step instructions, launch your digital business successfully without technical stress. All obstacles are removed, and how we'll find out more through our podcast. So, welcome and listen to again another great upcoming episode.
Hey everyone, today we are going to pull back the curtain on the science of yes. We're diving deep into the core psychological principles that, believe it or not, drive pretty much every single buying decision out there. So let me ask you this. You've got this amazing product, right? Or maybe an incredible service. You've poured your heart, your soul, everything into it. But the sales just aren't coming. It is one of the most frustrating feelings in the world, isn't it? You know what you have is good, but something's just not clicking. Well, what if I told you the problem isn't your product at all? What if it's how you're talking about it? See, it all comes down to the human brain. And once you really get the psychology of why people actually buy things, oh man, everything, and I mean everything, can change. Okay, so let's get into it. And I want you to think of these principles not as, tricks or manipulation. Think of them as a powerful toolbox. These are the fundamental psychological triggers that, when you understand them and use them the right way, will totally transform how you communicate value and ultimately persuade your audience. All right, so here they are, the 7 core principles. We're talking pain, belief, social proof, scarcity, reciprocity, specificity, and authority. Now look, you could spend years trying to master all 7 of these, but today we're going to zero in on 3 of them, just 3, because these are so foundational, so powerful, that they can literally transform your results almost overnight. We're talking about pain, belief, and specificity. So yeah, let's just dive right in, shall we? Because mastering just these 3, I'm telling you, it can have an immediate and seriously dramatic impact on how you sell anything. Okay, first up is the pain principle. And listen, if you only remember one thing from this whole explainer, make it this one. It is that critical. See, our brains are basically hardwired for survival, right? And what that means is that we are way, way more motivated to escape pain or avoid losing something than we are to gain something of the exact same value. It's a powerful psychological drive, and it's called loss aversion. And get this, you can actually put a number on that feeling. Studies have shown that the psychological kick you get from avoiding a loss is about twice as powerful as the good feeling you get from an equivalent gain. So think about that. It's not a small difference. It's a massive, massive psychological lever just sitting there waiting to be used. So let's look at how this plays out in the real world. On the one hand, you have learn how to raise your rates and make more money. Okay, fine, it's a nice thought. But then look at the other one. Staying stuck at $50 an hour is costing you $100,000 over the next 3 years. Here's how to stop. Whoa, see the difference? The first one is a nice to have gain. The second one frames doing nothing as an active, painful loss. That phrase costing you creates an urgency that make more money just can't touch. You're not selling a gain anymore. You're selling an escape from pain. And this idea flows perfectly into our second key principle, the belief principle. And folks, this one is a total game changer. Here's the secret. People don't buy products. They don't buy services. What they're really buying is a new belief about themselves. They're buying a transformation, a new identity. Just look at this comparison. Selling a course, you could say, this course teaches you 10 pricing strategies. Okay, that's a feature. That's what they get. But what if you framed it like this? This program helps you become someone who actually believes they deserve to charge premium prices. See, that's an identity. That's who they become. You're not just selling information anymore. You're selling them in more confident, more successful version of themselves. It's a whole different ballgame. All right, our third key is the specificity principle. And this is so simple, but so often overlooked. Your brain has this built-in BS detector, right? And it immediately dismisses vague claims as just marketing fluff. But it loves concrete details. It latches onto them. Specifics are what build a bridge of trust and make your promises feel real and, most importantly, achievable. I mean, the difference here is literally night and day. This course teaches you how to be more successful. What does that even mean? It's nothing. It's a puff of smoke. But compare that to, this course teaches you the 3-step framework I use to raise rates from $50 an hour to $400 an hour. Now that is a real, tangible outcome. Your audience can actually picture that. They can believe it, precisely because it's so specific. So here's the crucial part. These principles are powerful on their own, for sure, but they don't exist in a vacuum. The real magic, the secret sauce, happens when you start layering them together. We call this the psychology stack. And here's a super powerful formula for how to stack them. Ready? Step 1, you start with the pain. You show the problem. Step 2, you introduce the new belief. You show them who they'll become. Step 3, you establish your authority, showing why you are the one who can solve it. Step 4, you back that up with proof, like testimonials from other people who've solved the same problem. And finally, step 5, you weave specificity through every single one of those steps. You do this, and you create an unbelievably persuasive story. Okay, that's a lot of theory. I get it. Theory is great, but let's make this real right now. I'm going to give you a super simple challenge you can do in the next 30 minutes to immediately put all of this into practice. That's it. 30 minutes. I want you to go grab a piece of your own content right now. I'm serious. An email you're writing, a sales page, a social media post, whatever. Grab it and let's put these principles to the test. Now look at that piece of content and ask yourself these 3 simple questions. Number 1, does it clearly show the pain? Not just mention it, but really get at what hurts. 2, is it specific? Are your claims and promises concrete? And 3, does it address the belief? Does it speak to that new identity your customer wants? If any of those are missing, add what's missing. Just rewrite it. This quote really just says it all, doesn't it? You can have the best product in the world, but if you don't understand why people buy, nobody will. It's so true. Your product's quality, that's only half the equation. Understanding the deep, psychological reasons why someone decides to buy, well, that's the other and honestly often more important half. So I'm going to leave you with this one question to think about. As you move forward, just try to stop thinking about what you can help people gain. Instead, I want you to focus all your energy on this. What real, tangible pain will you help your very next customer escape? Seriously, answer that one question and you've found the key.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. As a full-time project manager and dad of 2, I was skeptical about fitting another business opportunity into my packed schedule. But this system was different. The ready-made products meant I didn't have to create content from scratch. And the step-by-step implementation meant I could make progress in 30-minute chunks after the kids went to bed. I launched my first digital course in 3 weeks. of evenings and weekends, and made my first sales within a month. This is the first program that worked with my real life. James T., project manager and side hustle entrepreneur.
Hello, your journey continues. Thank you for tuning into New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. We are blessed to have you in our community. I hope today's insights inspired you for your next breakthrough. So, any resources mentioned over here, just reach us through email and we will make them available to you. And if you want other free tools which are available on our website, you can ask for those free tools too. We will be happy to provide you those free tools. Those free tools can be for Rapid Revenue Blueprint or Passive Empire System. Please reach us out via email. Your journey to infinite prosperity begins now. And thanks for being part of our community. And if you want us to make any changes, please let us know. Or if you want any more topics to be covered, we will thrive to consider those topics into our upcoming podcast. We just like to serve our audience. That's our goal. So please like and review our podcast. Your input is very, very important. Thank you. And